On this third video about Chaos platform, I will explain the Resample and Calibrate tab. As we have been seeing, the platform Chaos is divided between two modules, the pre-processing and the auto-regulation analysis. The Resample and Calibrate tab part of the pre-process, and it has the function to make the resampling and the calibration of the signals. Following the Labels and Types tab, we have the Resample and Calibrate tab. At the superior part, we can find the tools, and at the left side, the platform allows us to do the resample of the signals. Here we have the frequency type, which allows the user to regulate the sample frequency from the equipment. For example, if one equipment has the sample frequency as 50 Hz and the other has 120 Hz, we can select maximum to the platform make both signals with the higher sample frequency. In other words, with 120 Hz. On the other hand, if we select the minimum, the platform will make both signals with the lower sample frequency, which means a frequency of 50 Hz. In addition, we also have the custom option, which enables the user to choose the sample frequency according to what the user wants. To do that, we go to sample frequency, and you can increase or decrease the value, or we can write right away, for example, 90. But I will leave as 100. Well, also we have the method, which makes a polynomial interpolation of degrees 0 to 3 in the signals. Thereby, once the settings are chosen, we click on Resample. At the other side, we can do the calibration. Here we have the minimum and the maximum values of the signal. In addition, if the values were taken during the procedure, the user can write it at the platform. For example, if the minimum value of ABP were 80, we can go here and write 80. And also, it can be done on the maximum value. We can put here 120. On this third column, we have the calibration method, which the user can choose between the absolute or the percentiles 5 per 95. The percentiles 5 per 95 will calibrate samples that are only in a range above 5% of the lowest samples and below 5% of the highest sample of the data. Furthermore, we have the calibration window, which the user can choose between windows of 10 seconds, windows of 5 seconds, window of 2 seconds. I'm gonna leave with all data. After the settings are settled, we must click on each channel, Calibrate. Alright, once the resample and the calibration are done, the user can move to the next step. The platform Chaos is available to download on the GitHub through the following link. Lastly, I'd like to thank my co-workers and the financial support given by CNPq, CAPES, and FAPESP.